all of you. All of it. How are you? Well, I'm doing great and fine. Even here it's so humid, but I can manage. I can manage it. I'm using my fan here. Fan. It's bedtime here now, love, 9 p.m. Good night. Good morning, sexy. Thank you, Jason. Have a good night. Sleep tightly. Send my regards to your wife, and your kiddos. I love you too, Jason. Send hugs to your wife. It's 8:02 here, morning. Do wear dressed as mouse. Yeah, I will do that if I have dressed like mouse, Jason. Miss Jai, thank you, bro Bell. She says, love you too. She is here. Oh, love you. Love. Much love, wifey of Jason. No, it's Sunday here, Belle. My work is every day, Monday to Sunday. Taking good care of my mom and my niece from Monday to Sunday. No pay. It's pays of love. They are paying with love and care. Uh-huh. That's it. And I thank you. I'm not asking to pay me. I do that from the bottom of my heart, bottom of my esophagus, my liver, whatever. You get the best. Thank you, Belle. Thank you for your words and for my description on my white tea. I like it. La la, Miss Chai. Thank much love, Miss Chai. Uy, Lucy. Oh my God. Sorry. Lucy Lee, Louis. Though you were dressed as a mouse. No, I didn't have mouse hair dressed, Lucy Lee. But if I have, I can wear it. Sorry, Lucy. I did not show your name. Louise. Louise. I told you I'm on your service at any time. It's free or with pay. Me, it's free with love and care for my mom and my niece and my family. It's all free for me. Yeah, I did that because I love them, all of them. 110%. Oh, yeah. Wow, 110 free, huh? Nice. 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 Thank you, Belle. As always, thank you. Did you hear that? Someone is there. Let me see. Who is that? Those girls outside. Sorry about the inconvenience. Sorry about the inconvenience. I have unstable connection here. Very. I returned to YouTube in order to help those who need it and deserve it. Aww. I'm lucky, Belle. I'm so lucky for that. You choose of me. Yeah. Minaw lang ko misyanggi kay nanghungit pa. Sige, enjoy Miss Joy. Enjoy your breakfast or your dinner. There are two girls there outside. They are selling flowers. Look at them. They are so happy.